Country Living, and today I'm making an apple fritter loaf that Calvin's seen on Facebook that he wanted me to make, and it'll be my first time today trying it. And so we're still sheltering in place, so if I had went to the store my own self, I would have picked out my own apples, but since we're sheltering in place still and we're doing grocery pickup, these are the only apples I could get, and one of them is granulated organic apples, and the other one is Honeycrisp apples. So I really didn't know which one I wanted to use to do my recipe with, so I'm going to use both of them. And so let me get started on my recipe, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, today I'm making an apple fritter loaf, and Calvin's seen this recipe on Facebook and he asked me if I would make it. And so today is the first time I've ever tried to make it, and so these are the ingredients. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, in a bowl, I'm going to be beating my white sugar and my butter together until it's creamy. This recipe will be in the descriptions below. And I'm going to beat this up until it's creamy. So I've got my butter and white sugar. Good and creamy. Now my next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be beating the egg in it one at a time until it's blended. Second egg. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in my vanilla flavoring. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be combining my white flour, my baking powder, and then I'm going to put it into my cream mixture until it's well blended. So here's my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. I'm going to stir that up until it's well blended. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my flour mixture in. I'm going to add the other half in. sugar. This goes on each layer. I think I'm going to get me a little bit bigger bowl for that. Stirred up good enough. So I'm going to be putting on my first layer. Let's see. So this goes, half of this goes on first. Just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to put half of these apples. Pat this down just a little bit. So now then I'm going to sprinkle this cinnamon mixture over it and brown sugar. Now then I'm going to be putting the next layer on. second layer of apples in. Press this down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm putting the next layer of cinnamon and brown sugar in. Swirl this around a little bit. Okay. My apple fritter loaf is going to be baking at 350 degrees for about 60 to 75 minutes. Okay, my apple fritter loaf has finished cooking, so I want to get it out of the oven. Smells really good. Okay, I'm going to let it cool for about 30 minutes before I put my icing on it, and then I'll be back. Okay, my apple fritter loaf has been cooling off for about 30 minutes, and so now I'm going to be making the glaze. This is half a cup of powdered sugar, and then I'm going to add some milk till I get the right consistency. I'll get my I'm just going to take some glaze and just drizzle it on top. And this really does smell amazing. And the best apple for baking is the Macintosh, but I didn't have Macintosh apples today. I just had to use what I had on hand. Okay, here's my apple fritter loaf, and we're going to be having this tonight for dessert, and I just don't know if I'm going to be able to wait for tonight or not. But it really does smell good. And do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together